Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your balance on HealthEquity. If your balance on HealthEquity looks wrong or confusing, don't worry. First, log into your HealthEquity account. Look at your transaction history. If you see transaction made pending, those amounts are not final yet. Pending claims or contributions can make your balance look incorrect temporarily. Next, check your contribution. If money was recently added through PayPal or a bank transfer, it may take 1 to 3 business days to fully post. Until it posts, your balance may look lower than expected. Look for a recent claim, card payment, or reimbursement. If a claim was processed or reversed, it can charge or change your balance suddenly. Make sure the amount matches what you actually spent. If you invest part of your HSA, some of money may be in investment, not cash. Your cash balance and total balance can look different. Tap the investment section to see where your money is. Sometimes the app just need a refresh. Log out HealthEquity, close the app, then log back in. You can also try checking from a web browser. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.